Hello, today you're going to learn how to use trig to find missing sides of right triangles. You could actually find every single missing side or angle of a right triangle. So here's just a little warm-up for you. Pause the video and just find the trig ratios for each figure. All right, so let's check your answers. Here they are. Sine of A is S over T, cosine of A is R over T, tangent of A is S over R. Number 8. So number 8, the ordered pair 6, 8 tells you the base of this triangle is 6, the height is 8, and then the radius is 10. It's a 6, 8, 10, or a 3, 4, 5 right triangle. Here's the ratios in simplest form. And then here's number 9. You would find the third side is 25. Excuse me. And then there you go. All right, so here are a couple problems that we're going to work on here together. So it says find the missing side, round to the nearest tenth. And so we don't actually have to find every single side and angle. We could use just what's given. So you have a 72-degree angle. And then you can label the 6 as the adjacent leg and the x as the hypotenuse. So we have the cosine of 72 degrees. So AH is cosine. That's how we knew, right? So Katoa, we could write that every time. So cosine 72 equals 6. Ooh, what's going on here? Uh-oh. I don't know what's going on. Hold on. That was weird. Okay, so cosine of 72 is 6 over x. And then we can write cosine of 72 degrees over 1. Now, doesn't that look like proportion? That's cross multiplication. So you would say x times the cosine of 72 equals 6 times 1. And then we want to get x by itself. So you divide both sides by the cosine of 72. So x equals, and then you type in the calculator, 6 divided by the regular cosine of 72. Notice we're not pressing inverse. Inverse is if you're looking for the angle. Here we're just looking for the ratio. So 6 divided by cosine 72, make sure you're in degree mode, x equals 19.4. It said to round to the 10th, so 19.4 centimeters, inches, whatever it is. Okay, so number 2 is similar. So with respect to the 73, the 6 is the hypotenuse, the longest side, and x is the adjacent leg. So that's cosine again, cosine 73. See, the angle is what comes after the cosine. So cosine of 73 equals x over 6. Cross multiply, so 6 times the cosine 73 equals x. So now you just multiply. 6 times cosine 73. 1.75 or 1.8. Okay, number 3. So we can circle the 24. So let's see. With respect to that, the x is the opposite leg and the 12 is the adjacent leg. So OA, tan 24 equals x over 12. And then cross multiply. 12 tan 24 equals x. 5.34 equals x. Okay, and then this one we have, this is a 12, by the way. It's hard to see there. So tan 37 equals x over 12, right? It's opposite leg over adjacent leg. So tan, all right, cross multiply. 12 tan 37. 9.04. Now, you could always find the rest of the missing parts using Pythagorean theorem and the fact that the angles add up to 180 degrees. So here's number 5. And go ahead, pause the video, try number 5, and then we'll check. Okay, so with respect to 49, the 14 is the opposite leg, the x is the adjacent leg. So OA, tan. So tan, the angle comes after, so it's tan of 49. So the tan ratio equals 14 over x. So now find the x to make that ratio statement true. So cross multiply, x tan 49 equals 14. Divide both sides by tan 49. So 14 divided by tan 49 is 12.17. So for each of these, you can pause, try it, and then check. And then that'll help you see if you're ready to do the assignment. Okay, so 51. Okay, we have opposite and hypotenuse, OH, sine this time. So the sine ratio of 51 is 14 over x. Cross multiply, 14 equals x times the sine of 51. Divide both sides by the sine of 51. $18.01. Number 7. 16 is the opposite, x is the hypotenuse. Sine 63 equals 16 over x. Cross multiply. Divide both sides by sine 63. 17.96. And then number 8, opposite hypotenuse, so sine of 15 equals 16 over x. Cross multiply. Divide both sides by sine of 15. 61.82. Okay, we'll do 4 more. Pause the video here and then give them a try. All right, with respect to 55, you have opposite leg, adjacent leg. So tangent of 55 degrees equals 29 over x. Cross multiply. Divide both sides by tan 55. So 29 divided by tan 55 is 20.31. Number 10, tan 68 equals x over 21. So 21 tan 68 equals x. X equals 51.98. And then number 11, x is opposite leg, 29 is hypotenuse, so that's sine. Sine of 19 equals x over 29. 29 times the sine of 19 is 9.44. And then 12, x is opposite the 21 degrees, 22 is the hypotenuse. Sine as well. Sine 21 equals x over 22. Cross multiply. 7.88. So there you go. So I hope that helps you understand how to find missing sides of a right triangle. Remember, missing angles, you use the inverse trig function on the calculator, and then that gives you the angle. So you're going to complete the Delta Math assignment. Have a great day. Take care. Bye-bye.